What's up, pussycat? What is it? Do you want to know what it is? Huh? Yeah. It's this. A new masticating juicer. New life, new tummy, new fitness. Let's see. My cat helping to unbox this Philips masticating juicer. Pussycat. Make tasty fresh juices with their Healthy Drinks app. That's the dog coughing there. Got a bad heart. I won't have a bad heart when I get back into juicing, which is what I did before, but we need to do some more. So we've got a Fluffy Bum. This is Fluffy Bum. We've got to do some more unboxing. Okay? Well, gotta say, it's very well boxed. Hey, Fluffy Bum. Well, yeah, just going to see if we've left anything in the box, just in case. Got to make sure that the box is completely empty, because it is the main attraction. Ooh, maybe I need to lie it down to open it up. Dog's not interested. So Fluffy's convinced there was nothing left in the box. So we're now going to look at the main event. Oop. Just checking. Got to check what that is. Cat-o. What's this? Cable. That's the main body. Okay, let's get it out one by one. Cat's just gonna check the inside of the box again, just in case there's something left inside that's most important. So that's the main body. With this plastic. Main body. So I better check the instructions. 2 lots of instructions, different languages, because of course we bought this in China, and this one has got it in English. So just check manual. We've got another cat now investigating, wants to unpack. This is the unpacking cat. It's just checking that things are okay in there. Just giving it a quick clean. I hope it doesn't have a poo. Sort of cleaning it up a bit. Right? Oh, so once that's the next bit out. Okay. That's the next bit that comes out. Dog's a bit more interested now. Yeah. Cat is still getting stuff out. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is a spout of some sort. No, it's not a spout because it's not hollow. It's some sort of thing. We will put that there. And go over to the next thing. What should we get out next, huh? Should we get out this thing? This thing? Okay, we're going to get this thing out. Fluffy Bum has come to see what's happening. Dog is getting excited. The dog coughs because it's got a bad heart and it's got very itchy in this hot weather, so it has to wear a cone, otherwise it will lick itself to death. Cat is getting comfortable. Let's unpack this. A lot more plastic in there, so I guess that's the collector for the pulp collector probably. We'll put that there and have some coffee. And we go for the final thing. Now this is heavy, so this must be the grinder and the main thing for the fruit and vegetables to go in. So yes, what's happening, Cat? What do you want to do? Leave this plastic alone. Don't play with plastic bags. Yeah, it's empty, Fluffy Bum. So let's see if we get this off. Yeah, more through the magic of video. There it is. Now we got to start putting it together. And unlike most men, I am going to refer to the instruction manual in English. Let's go. Lots of diagrams, lots of instructions in English. So we will follow it, and we're going to do number 2. So we have to align the arrow icon, so we put that in there, and then we twist it. There's the arrow. Then we twist it till it clicks. Yay! And then I think it's pretty simple. That goes on there. Is that for your juice? Yeah. And then this thing is the pusher, and there it is, done, ready for juicing. Unfortunately, we've got no fruit and veg at the moment, but as soon as I do a juice, I will film it.